Hi everybody, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today I am at MarineMax in Clearwater with one of the first Sea Ray SLX 260 outboards. Now we're going to be giving you a full boat walkthrough here today at the dock, but I'm going to be focusing on 4 main features. If I went into depth on every single feature on this boat, we'd be here for 3 hours. I'm not even kidding. So let's get started and look out for our big 4. That's what I'm going to call them. Starting back here, perfect power package for the 260 SLX outboard. This is the all new, well, it's been out for a couple years now, V8 Mercury engine. Pushes this boat top end around. I had it going 48. I've heard rumors of people getting it up to 50. It likes to cruise in the 30s, real economic, and gets out of the hole nice and easy too. Moving over here, number 1, here's one of the main features. 1, storage. Back here, I don't know how familiar you guys are with the 400 SLX outboard, but that's exactly what I'm talking about. And I know on the video, you really can't tell, so watch this. This is a 26-foot boat. What other 26-foot boat can you do this in? I'm a grown man, 6 feet tall, and I can crawl all the way up in here. So, the whole point of that, you can fit a full flotation pad, lily pad, whatever you want to call it, way up in there. Water skis. Did a really good job. So you're going to see me hint to the storage on this boat quite a bit throughout this walkthrough, but it's really impressive. Back here, of course, what Sea Ray's really done a really good job with is going to be this lounger back here. And of course, you've got cell phone holders, chargers, your own fusion controls back there. Change the tunes up a little bit as well. You're going to see me walk through the walkway here. Got your little step. A lot of people don't know what that is. If you are side tied at a marina and you're on a fixed dock where you might have to get up there, get that up, lock that in, then come on up with it. It's the little things. Moving in here, point number 2 that I am going to point out. The upholstery on this boat, all the fit and finish. I don't know if you guys have checked out the video yet to the 370 Sundancer outboard, but you're going to see a lot of that in here. You look at this double diamond stitch SLX, which is set the standard for luxury in day boats and overnighters, whatever it is. This is it in a 26-foot package. So it almost seems like a lot of that stuff got taken out of the 370, all that new design. You're seeing that right here in a smaller package. I think it's pretty cool. Point number 3, 3 out of 4 now. A lot of people on like the 270 STX would always say, hey, how come there's no power tower? Oh, go down. Check this out, guys. I think this is so cool. Looks like the Batmobile. This whole thing comes down, and whether it's storage in a marina or you are trying to get out of some bad weather or you might have a low-hanging bridge, to me, I think that this is the neatest thing in the world. Another cool feature up here, you notice that what this is, I'm not entirely sure how to bring this out, but I'm going to try it anyways. Unclip that. Of course, in Florida, we are always trying to get out of the sun. Now look at the amount of shade that you just gave us here. We've got an oversized top as it is. When that's out back, you're really going to keep those rays off you. And I was actually running this boat with that up the other day. Clip those up too. Of course, you've got a really nice social zone in the main cockpit right here. Just like on the larger SLXs, what we've seen on a 310, you're going to have these chairs, actual captain and co-captain chair, not just the flip-up seats. They are going to swivel too. Over here at the helm, a super ergonomic helm. Even with a induction phone charger right there. Get all charged up. And of course, you have your dual SIM rads. Everything is within reach. Of course, this was one of the first, if not the first boats that were completely designed by an all-female design team. You can tell. I mean, there's attention to detail. Everything has a place. You got the controls right there. All your Bocatech switches right there. And of course, everything is going to be really easy to operate. Let the phone charge a little bit over there. On the port side, we do have our head. Actually a usable head, 26-foot boat, but a grown man can fit in there and not be completely smushed. Over here, another main feature, number 4. Check out how comfortable this boat is up on the bow, okay? Everything is going to be nice and safe. Everything's going to be nice and comfortable. You're going to have good lumbar supports on your backs of all the seats, and you're not going to be feeling like you're going to fall over the side. You're going to feel nice and safe and secure, because at the end of the day, this is a bow rider, right? So that means that you're going to want to ride up on the bow and not be completely uncomfortable. You're going to have a comfortable ride up here, well-appointed cup holders, and of course underneath these seats, like we mentioned before, point number 1, you've got a ton of storage under there too. And of course, up on the very bow, you have your anchor windlass. You push a button, gonna save a lot of marriages. Nobody's gonna be fighting over the anchor, and you're ready to rock. So that's your complete stern to bow walkthrough. And remember the 4 main points that we talked about. 1, storage. You saw that through the whole boat. 2, fit and finish on the upholstery, stuff that you saw on a new 370. 3, power tower, which is awesome, and I think that it looks like the Batmobile. I'm gonna call this boat the Batmobile. And then 4, up on the bow, how comfortable the seats actually are, and just how well thought out all of the luxuries are when you're really enjoying yourself and making those memories out on the water. So once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Pete. The Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard is worth absolutely all of the hype. You got to come check out this boat firsthand, guys. It really is something to write home about. It's the next big thing. There's going to be a lot of other manufacturers following exactly what Sea Ray did with this boat. Give us a call, go on MarineMax.com, get with your local dealer, and let's get you and your family out on the water for summertime 2022. Bye, guys.